Ever been frustrated when attempted to scale a small account and show any real progress? You have tested various methods and you aren't seeing the growth you're hoping for? This video is exactly what you need. I will show you the strategy that finally changed the game for me and it could shift your path as well. I have something extraordinary lined up just to you. Keep on watching the video until the very end and we're thrilled. Guys, with that one, we're gonna use classic candles in 15 seconds on time frame, moving average and stochastic oscillator. For the moving average, we're gonna use 15 on period, simple movements in that style. Stochastic, we're gonna use 14, 1, 4 super movements in that combination. 15 for that line. All right, just change that, and we have all this set up, guys. Okay. $26, 1 minute on expiration time. Let's go. All right, guys. I think I have very good situation. But I take it you gotta count every moment in that matter so that my transactions are more effective and profitable. One of these moments is one of that finally pay attention. That's important. A lot of attention to when an open position in downward direction. In this case, the yellow main line of the stochastic oscillator comes from an upward to the downward direction. Okay, that is cross the green line above that, above the line, and just pass through the yellow one. Okay, just enter in a neutral situation. This is the ideal moment to open position in downward direction, and I think there's another moment that I will try to talk about the next when open. When I open the next position, I'm going to talk about that. And look at that, our first one is just happening right now. We just got this $28, almost $4 the total. All right, so that is also very, guys, good situation because that's a neutral situation. First of all, as I said, the yellow line for the stochastic oscillator, and I like it. The pink line of the moving average, I showed a very good crossing on that. Okay, you can see the candle just passed through of that for these metals because it's giving me the best signal. As a result of testing, I defined what the pink line of the moving average, which should intersect the red candle, as you can see on this right now. Okay. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategies that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. Now the moving average also has another function. It's metals, and I will tell you more about it later. When open the next position and everything's going too well right here. I just got 80 seconds, 7. That's just very good. All right, so look at that. Boom, $48, guys, 62, and in the total, that's pretty good. This strategy is just one of the minutes can transform your journey in this market. To become a professional, mastering the most profitable one is crucial. But don't expect I've had two exclusive piece of content ready for you that will be essential for a growth. Stick with me until the end. All right, and look at that. I decided to open the third position again in the downward direction. Just got a good position on this, guys. As you see, I was a little hasty and could have opened the position at better moments. But it doesn't matter, all right? The main thing is that all indicators give me an excellent signal in the downward direction. I want to say again about the pink line of the moving average. The yellow line for the stochastic oscillator just crossing above the green one and just going to the yellow. In this case, above the candle have been moving in downward reaction for the moving average. And that's the second good signal I'm showing for you about the MA. Okay, Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. The first one was the previous one, the first good moments, and when I open a position in downward direction, that was pretty good. And that's the second one, and look, that is amazing, guys. $86, 104 in the total. It's worked great because I have a lot of experience. I hope I've explained all the details for you to learn into this video. And if this two indicators combination doesn't give me a signal, I never open a position with this method. For me, the most important factor is the both indicators. I connect when I open a position because both are important for this one. Guys, act right now. Just write your opinions in the comments. I wish you good profits, good operations, and have a good one. See you in the next video in the next live. Bye bye.